How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. Christmas has come early. I've decided I've had enough of 2020. Christmas has come early. I've got my tree, I've got Santa, and I'm ready to rock. Look at that tree. Amazing. Nice little festive recipe, this one. Well, it is festive. Well, I'm going to call it festive. It is, because it's nearly Christmas and it's festive, and that's what I'm going to do. A caramelized onion tart, French, with some nice pizza dough. And you know what? This tree is not doing it. It's just not doing it. Hang on a minute. I want to get a tree. That is shit. Abigail, do you want to get a Christmas tree? I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, it's a beautiful recipe, very simple to make. The star of the show is the dough. Got to get that right, and once you've got that right, you're pretty much there. Caramelized onions don't really need much actually doing. Low heat, little balsamic to help them along. You can add a little bit of sugar if you want to. You don't need to. Just stir them and stir them, stir them. They'll take around about an hour, 50 minutes to an hour, and you're good to go. Mascarpone cheese, goat cheese. Absolute classic, some thyme, beautiful. Enjoy. Now it's Christmas. Thanks, guys. To make the dough, add yeast to lukewarm water and put aside for 5 minutes. Next, add flour to a mixer, followed by olive oil, salt and pepper, and thyme. Turn on the mixer on a slow setting, now gradually adding the yeast and water. Mix until the dough comes together, and try not to overwork the dough. Transfer to a work surface, lightly flour your hands and the work surface. Now knead for 5 minutes. Divide the dough into 4 equal pieces. Shape the dough into balls and place on a baking sheet. Cover with a damp towel and set aside for about an hour. For the caramelized onions, thinly slice onions, add olive oil to a pan. My induction didn't like my copper pan, so I had to change it. Again, add olive oil, add the onions, followed by salt and pepper. On a low heat, stir the onions from time to time. This stage can take hours. I just did mine for 1 hour. When the onions are soft, add thyme and balsamic vinegar. Stir well and cook until caramelized. When caramelized, transfer to a bowl and put aside. Next, in a bowl, add mascarpone and goat cheese. Now with a spatula, mix well and put aside. Onions and goat cheese are a classic combination, and that's why they work so well in an onion tart. Next, flour your work surface and your rolling pin. I rolled mine about 3mm thick, 12 inches long by 6 inches wide. Transfer the dough to a floured baking sheet. Add some of the cheese mixture. Followed by onions. And thyme. Lightly drizzle olive oil around the edges. This will make them golden brown and crispy. Now place in the oven and cook. At the end, I like to add some crispy fried onions. They are delicious and add great texture. So there you have it. That's my festive onion tart. So delicious. Thanks, guys. Hello guys, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, there's some videos here that you might like related to the video I've just done, or there might not be. But what I want you to do is subscribe, like the video, click that bloody bell. You'll be doing me a favour. So yeah, and enjoy some videos here. I've got a few videos up here. So just click on them and enjoy. Thanks guys.